Hi folks, and welcome back. Okay, today's plan is to crack on with my GS450. The replacement engine's in, but nothing's attached. So first job is to put a few things back together and make sure that the engine turns over. If it does, then that's great and we can proceed. But if it doesn't, then it's game over. So let's find out. It's time for some work. Very dry. Perfect. That'll do for now. Okay folks, I want to get the chain back on, and I've got a broken gear position sensor. Well, I best repair that first. Hopefully that'll work. It's working fine. Chain just now. Yeah, let's get on with the important bit next. Right, let's get this engine seen to. Well folks, I don't know how many years this engine has lain unused. So all I'm doing is turning the engine by hand, and I'm going to go gentle. It's really smooth. Oh, a bit of a notch. A bit tighter there. It's quite smooth. You can hear an air bubble going on inside. Oh, that's brilliant. It's turning great. So it's peace of mind. It's going a lot easier now. So folks, that's good progress for today, and I'm going to finish up by tidying a few loose ends. Okay, last but not least, I want to tighten all the main engine nuts and bolts and make sure it's secure. So I hope you enjoyed, folks. To be continued, and thanks for watching. Yeah, that's done. Awesome.